Welcome to Infossel's cloud-based auto finance package version 11.0. It's containing lot of features like admin mobile app and collection mobile app, etc. The software is cloud-based, so you can use the software anywhere, anytime, and any devices like mobile, tablets, desktop, laptop, any devices you can use and anywhere. So as it is a cloud-based, in the collection mobile app contains each and every customer's data with their area. If you access one customer data means it will show with their photos, and the main feature is it will also show the Google Map location of the customer. So you can, and the collection staff can easily access the place and he can easily go and collect the payment. So even though he is newly appointed. First we will discuss about the software. This is the software's front page, and that means the admin page. Here the URL will be the demo URL will be finance.info.sel infosel.in. So username will be admin, password will be admin for demo purpose. You can use a multiple companies here. There is no limitation for companies and user creation. So admin, I am just logging to the panel. So first it will go to dashboard. In dashboard, you can see left side menus will be there. In right side, the main portion will be shown. The first thing will be how many receipts has been made today, and how many accounts closed today, and how many vehicles seized today, and what about the reloan and today due list. That means the customer who need to pay the due by today, and today collection. So what is the amount, total amount collected today? So if you click this today due list means you can easily call them. That means they are the persons who need to pay their due by today. So you can easily just clicking the phone number and pay, just talking to them and easily collect the payment. And the 3 is showing, that means receipts paid today. If you click that means it will show what are the receipts has been made today and what is the principal, cap and interest, penalty, everything will be shown, and who made the receipts. So that information will be also so, and what is the time receipts has been made. So everything will be shown here. So in dashboard, you can see common search here. You can easily search and move to the customer's place. Here you can 3 search options. Here this one and this search and this search. We have 3 search options. And EMI calculator is basic for calculation purpose. If you enter the 50,000 and 12 months, the EMI will be 5,000 something, and 24 months the EMI will be like that. So you can easily talk to the new customers. This will be the EMI regulations and a promise to customers. So this list is nothing but when we are calling to the pending customers, they say we will pay by next week, he will pay by next 5th. So we entering every date in our ledger. So if the customers promise to pay paying today, the list will be shown here, and we can enter memos here. So day by day memos will be shown here, and pending list, and you can send a new list SMS and voice call also attached. Nowadays you can send SMS or voice call, everything is there, and the package will be different, and it will show all the company data. You can create multiple companies. Now we are in Infossel Auto Finance. If you are going to work in Murugan Finance means just click Murugan Finance. So company will be changed in Murugan Finance. So you can now in Murugan Finance there is no receipt has been made. So you can use multiple companies. There is no limitation. And group. So group is nothing but you have 5 or more companies. You need to check the accounts or the statement for all the 5 company means. If you click group means it will show all the 5 companies data. So now I will directly go to Infossel Auto Finance. So in Infossel Auto Finance and further details here we can build report, detailed dashboard, customer details, ledger entries, some shortcuts will be there. In detailed dashboard, it will show the complete management of the company. That means total loans, closed loans, seized vehicles, and the total staff attendance, monthly loan. Actually, the package contains 3 things. One is EMI, that means auto finance, and another one is monthly interest payable loan, and another one is FD, fixed deposit we are getting from another parties. So those all the things will be shown in a proper way. Okay. Now I will show the little master things, and then we will go move into the loan part. In the master, first thing is employee management. Here you can manage employees' attendance and their salary report. Everything will be there. In employee creation, we have created more security. Like you can create their staff name, staff code. You can use the name in staff code itself and their basic information and their username, password. The privilege. Super admin will be provided to only MD and accountant like that. Office are to office staffs and collection to collection staff. You just enter the names. If you have 3 or more companies, you are providing all the company they are single companies. So like that you can provide. For example, I'm going to give only Murugan company and office all privilege to a customer. And his login time, I'm giving, actually the time is now 9:10, but I'm giving only 10 o'clock. He can only log in by 10 o'clock. So the username will be abc and the password will be 123 and abc, staff code abc. So the privilege is officer. I'm giving not all the companies, only Murugan Finance, and the time will be he can only log in by 10 o'clock. Register. Okay. Now you can simply see we are in super admin now. It's showing all the accounts and everything is showing here, and it's also show all the company data. Now I log out here and providing ABC as a username and 123 as a password. Now you see of unofficial login time, because the time is now 9 o'clock, but we are providing only he can log in by 10. So I'm again going to admin panel, that means super admin. We can change his time, abc edit, changing the 9 time into 9 o'clock. So now see abc and 123. So now get into the file, and he show only one finance is showing. That means Murugan Finance. That is, there will not show any other finances. So like that, more features are there. We will discuss one by one. So we have completed employee management. Then we will move into master. So in master, everything will be in your control. You can create vehicle names, colors, and areas. Area is a district name or taluk name. And that means if you are going to give area as a Coimbatore, and the sub area will be the main area. That means the proper area. In under, I'm selecting Coimbatore. Under Coimbatore, we can create like 100 feet road. So this sub area will become to loan details and go down a broker, dealer, company. You can create multiple companies here. There is no limitation. And ledger group. Ledger group is nothing but for creating vouchers. We will discuss about voucher later. So these are the master. So okay, now we'll get into main future. That means we'll go to loan entry. That means entry. Before that, we have a pre-loan process itself. Pre-loan process means most of the inquiries we will receiving. We can manage that inquiries. That's it. So for loan entry, here we have a ledger, that means EMI. Deposit means fixed deposit. Binding loan means, that means monthly interest loan. HL means hand loan and posting entries and voucher entries, seizing vehicles, all that. So first loan entry is HP ledger create. Entry HP ledger create. Here the loan number is automatically coming 19. A geocode. Geocode is nothing but in our collection mobile app, we can access the location code. I will talk about the collection mobile app later. And name. Some of the basic details for the name, spouse name, address, and phone numbers, and vehicle name. If you have vehicle number, vehicle name. And normally we have entered all the vehicles, such as Hero Honda, and what is the vehicle, make, year, and Aadhaar number. So here we are focusing Aadhaar number in the main primary part, because if you are entering the existing Aadhaar number of any co-applicant or customers, means it will show, that means it's the existing loan vendor or a guarantor to another loan vendor. It will show all the data and RC book details, name transfer details, and expiry dates, and the customer's photo, RC book. So you can upload everything, not a compulsion. What are the required fields you can enter? This is the loan part. In loan part, what is the loan he is getting? 50,000. And re-entering the loan. Interest, if for 2%, we'll leave it to 2%. And what is the loan date? I'm giving a previous date like May 5th he is getting. And his first due will be June 5th or 10th. You can change the date. I'm giving 12 months. And the total due will be 5170. You can round off the total figure. And hand loan, broker name, and the dealers. You can select the dealers and we can list the dealer amount. And payment mode as a cash or bank. And we can split up the payment mode also. Document charge, broker commission, and guarantor names and guarantor details, and everything will be here. So I'm just, after clicking finish, this item will be saved. The procedure to creating a loan entry. And the search option, this is for all the data except loan entry. That means for creating a receipt, full settlement, full view of the customer, editing the loan ledger. So everything will be in search. Here we have multi-level filtration like loan number, party name, vehicle number, party mobile number, area, vehicle. So like that, various filtration option is that. And there is not a single level, it's a multi-level. That means in this particular area, this ambassador vehicle, this dealers and active loans. Like that, we can multi-level filtration here. I'm just clicking loan number 13. Here the 13 will come with his mobile number, vehicle number, everything is here. So this is the button system. That means first button is for making the receipts. It's already showing in a hover. Second is for ledger edit. That means the document edit. And third for full settlement. This fourth and fifth are optional thing. Fourth for reloan. That means making a reloan. And fifth is for clone. Clone is nothing but just copying this address and vehicle for creating a new loan for the same client. That's it. And full view. Full view is nothing but the complete data of the customer. And this is Google Map location. So we will already create a link in verification part in a mobile app. The location will all automatically come here. So like this, we can access the location. And we can also send WhatsApp with web WhatsApp directly with the web WhatsApp. And I'm just clicking full view of the customer. In full view, it will automatically show complete data of the customer and guarantor, photos, everything will be here. We can update the call history, what he is saying in a call, and his upcoming next reminder date. In this reminder date, dashboard will alert, and it will automatically created a complete structure for 12 dues. So normally you say 1 to 12, and the total amount will be displaying here. And the penalty calculation will be automatically done as per the percentage method. And here the first 4 dues has been crossed the time limit. So the buttons are in red color. Other upcoming dues are in green color. So now we will make a receipt. Here, receipt. In receipt, it will automatically show the complete bending of the details. That means 4 dues are bending. So total amount will be, payable amount will be this, and penalty will be this. So total amount he need to pay today. But how much he is paying? Normally the due amount is 5,170 rupees. But normally every customer will not pay in a round figure. So if the customer is only paying 5,000, that means you just enter 5,000 in a due amount. And penalty, default amount is nothing but penalty. In penalty is not paying means just put 0. Payment mode, cash or bank account, cash. So the receipt will be popped up, and you can print this receipt in a A4 or A5 or A6. Everything it will be normal. In receipt, it automatically show the basic details of the customer, and he's paid one due part amount. P means part amount, and the next due date, principal, interest, total amount paid. So everything will be shown. Who made the receipt and receipt time date. And I'm just refreshing the table. We have made one receipt in a receipt number 19. Automatically the color of the button has been made change in white color. So he need to pay 5,170 rupees, but due received only 5,000. For this 5,000, the penalty days, that means the cross date is 106 days. For this penalty will be 615 rupees as percentage method. So balance 170 rupees going to due balance in another extra column. For this 170 rupees, penalty will be calculated in future days. So again the customer is coming. Normally he is paying 9,000 rupees, and the penalty will be he is paying 500 rupees, and the payment mode as a cash. I'm just registering. Now we can see now here is a due balance, but the customer is paying 9,000. We'll see how this 9,000 is affecting here. In this 9,000, first it will complete the, in receipt number 20, first it will complete the due balance. And then it will go to second due and place the second due completed. And still it has balance of 3,660. It will place in a third due. Then in third due, the balance will go to due balance. So like this, automatically every amount will go to and place in the particular table as a hypothecation hire purchase route. So you no need to worry about anything. You just enter what customer is paying. Automatically the table will work on it. And in below you can see also the receipt wise report. In this day This receipt number, customer paid this amount. Like this, receipt wise also you can see. Hand loan history, call history will be also here. That means in which date customer what said, call history will also there, RCB history, everything will be in a full view. And full settlement. And in a full settlement, it will automatically show the complete balance in principal, interest, and the penalty hand loan. You can close with flat or diminish, everything will be automatically calculated, or you can manually edit the principal and penalties. And if any point of view, the customer, you need to close with loss. That means you are not using the full principal, means just entering the 0, and you can't edit the principal. So you just enter the loss amount here. That means 3008 rupees is loss for us. So you are closing this loan in 35,000. If it is only loss, you need to enter in the address part and payment mode, just register. This is the way to settle the loan. So these are the main features in search option. And here also we have deposits, binding, all are the same like this method. You can use it. Actual hand loan entries are the. Now we are going to see main feature named as voucher entry for expenses and capital account. Master, first you need to create the ledger names. In ledger, here maximum all the ledgers has been created in a basic. You need to create your partner name. If your partner name is Ashok, and under capital account, this is a capital account, just create. And expenses like EB bill, it will be under direct expenses. And if you have any bank accounts like Karur Vysya Bank, KVP, that means it will be under bank accounts. So like that, you can easily create all the data. You don't not enter any opening balance here. We will enter all the thing in only voucher. So entry, voucher, create. Here only we are going to use payment, receipt and contra only. Payment is nothing but it's an expense entry, and what will go out will be a payment entry. What comes in will be a receipt entry, like capital account. What is coming into finance is a receipt entry. Contra will be a withdrawal and deposit in a bank. And now receipt entry. If you click receipt means the background color also will change. If you click contra means the background color will also change. I'm giving receipt. In receipt, the Ashok is investing 1 lakh rupees in KVP bank account or cash account. So this is the method to creating a capital and payment for expenses. In payment, you just click EB bill. What is a debit amount? 500 rupees is a bill in cash account. So this is the way of creating voucher. And next we are going to see about vending list. In vending list, we have various filtration options: vending list, categories, photo vending, government ID vending, location vending. So like this, we can normally in this vending list, we can filter all the due list. That means this 2 due to 3 due vending, 5,000 to 50,000 vending. I think that we can filter in more view. This due day is nothing but today it's 15th due to 16th due. I mean today and tomorrow due list. Like that, you can filter in a multiple way. So I'm just clicking search it all, means it will show all the data. It will show the phone number, loan date. So everything will be shown. Every report you can download it in the Excel. And report you can see HP list, party summary, bill report. In bill report, it will show all the data of a bill made today. Or you need to say previous bills, means if you click means it will show the previous bills. In each bills, you can edit only the smaller items, or else you can cancel and you can enter a new receipt. Cancelled receipt will be displayed. It will not go anywhere. It will display, but it will not come to accounts. That's it. Next is ECS. We have all data about ECS. ECS means monthly check-based receipt creation. It will automatically get in a bank and it will fetch here. So everything will be normally here. In using eNACH. And login history is there. HPN collection is the primary thing. That means HPN collection, it will show the complete data in this financial year. In financial year, it's how many loads. That means month wise, we have provided this loan amount and principal received this amount, interest received and penalty received and total received amount. So like this, everything will be shown. You can also download this as an Excel. Every report can be downloaded in Excel, and also you can print it. So normally seeing this report, we have also featured main feature as a graphical report. In graphical report, you can easily see what will happening in this financial year. Normally in May month, it's little low. Like HP amount given also low, penalty received also low, interest also low. So you can easily see in a graphical report. And area wise balance sheet, due analysis is nothing but 1 2 and 8 due above pending in a graphical view. So how many customers are pending? Only one due pending is 160 rupees, two due pending is 95 customers, three due pending customers are 66. So you can easily see in a graphical view. And insurance pending and expiry dates alert will be also sent to message or voice call to the customer. And we can also take the report, document charge report, HP balance, like principal, interest, default, any balance you can see in a separate view. Like principal balance means it will come in a report, and you can also download it in a Excel. In accounts is a main major part here. It will work as it is like in a tally. In a day book, you can see a date wise or month wise or a week wise a complete report what made in this finance. So daybook is as it is like tally. So normally particulars with voucher type, voucher number, and you can print the document, and it will also show the cash in balance. That means closing balance and current cash statement, business report. So business report is very awesome report. It will show complete structure of the finance, HP receipts and ledger items, document charge. Everything will be shown here. Demand statement, balance sheet is a major role in every account. So man, balance sheet, it shows Arvind paid its capital account, Prabhu paid 1 lakh, Ashok, just now we have created Ashok paid 1 lakh in a capital, and current cash is 95,000, sorry, 9 lakh 55,000 is a current cash, bank account has no money, and HP parties has principal amount. So total current assets will be this. So everything, profit and loss will be this. So everything will be shown in a balance sheet. And trial balance, profit and loss, accounts and book, ledger books, everything is here. So this is a profit and loss report. And in notice and prints, we have as a hypothecation or a hypothesis rule, we need to send every seizing letter or reference to attribution letter, loan default notice. Everything is already structured, and we have also doing this notice in your local languages. Normally your people only know the local languages, so if you give the content means we will also doing in a local language. Now you can see the seizing letter in a Tamil language. So you also you can we can do automatically fetch the address, everything will be there. You just putting the loan number, automatically the letter will come. Like this, all the letters are also available. And ledger print. So in ledger print, you can print the ledgers. If you have not using notebook means you can print the data and you can spiral it like that. All the future is also have that means 1 to 1,000 loans just print. That means the loan will be printed. You can spiral it. And also we have SMS setup and voice call setup and day closing issues. Account close is nothing but you can closing the accounts by every day. That means you can use with the denominations. So it will automatically calculate what is the balance. So if you close it by today means it will automatically show what is the amount in our software wise amount and your collection wise amount. So what is the difference? So it will automatically show the difference also. So these are the main features in our software.